Hello students, welcome in chapter 15 statistics. Students, in statistics today we going over the last part for the exercise 15 related some word problems related mean, standard deviations and the variance related. In question first in 15 exercise, mean and variance given respectively 9 and 9.25. 6 observations given, find out remaining 2 observations. So here I assume that yes, suppose other 2 observations are x and y, and only my observations is ready here x, y, 6, 7, 10, 12, 12, 13, and first we will do mean. So mean formula you know that students, very easy, sigma xi by n. I have mean given, yes, mean is a 9. Sigma means summation, x plus y plus 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12, 12, 13 by n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 9s are 72. And here x plus y, those numbers are students, if you added, it is 60. So x plus y, 72 minus 60, which have to 12. So y become 12 minus x. You get one number, statement number 1. And now after that I will running to our going to variance 9.25. So variance wise I explain. Now variance 9.25 and formula you know, very easy. So my known formula is sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n whole square, which is 9.25 variance, and that should be just putting the values. So sigma xi square same, and I have students total observations are 8. Sigma xi mean that 9.25. So sigma xi square mean is originally known that 9 square 81. So sigma xi square 8 into 9.25 plus 81, you will get total sigma xi square will be 722. Yes, 81 into 9.25, 90.25 into 8, 722. Now we find out our remaining observations. So sigma xi square means what? Observation square, x square, y square, 6 square, 7 square, 10 square, 12 square, 12 square and 13 square. We will do 722, and just you define by this all numbers additions and subtract from that 722, you will get students one of the values for the covering easily. It is 80. I direct write down, and this 80 I just applied that y value. So x square, y I have 12 minus x, 80 same. So x square 12, 144, 24x, x square and 80. So 2x square minus 24x and 144 minus 80. Just you subtract them. Here 4 and here 64. And now 2 common it, x square, 12x and 32. Now students, 32 splitting, you will get only answer is 12. So make them splitting. Here 8 4s are x minus 8 and x minus 4. So one of the 8, otherwise one of the 4. And here these both values you put down here y. So y become our 12 minus 8, which is 4. Here y become 12 minus 4, which is 8. So remaining observations are 4 and 8, otherwise 8 and 4. Now next question students, a same as given, the mean and variance of these 7 observations are respectively, these 2 are given, and also observations given. Find out other 5 observations wise. Here given the question is in the 7 observations, 5 observations are given, the mean 8 and 16, and If 7 have the 2 left, it means 5. Observations are 2, 4, 10, 12, 2, 4, 10, 12, 14, and find the remaining 2 observations. So suggestion are same, just here only I change that and this only change. Otherwise internal calculation are same. So observation same, xy suggestions, sigma xi as it is are addition to all 2, 4, here observations 10, 12 and 14. So make them additions 2 plus 4 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 by n become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with x and y. This mean a given that which is 8 here x plus y and that you added. Students, if you this added then 10, 20, 30, 34, 35, 36, 40 and 42. So 7, 8 is a 56 minus 42 will negate x plus y is equal to one equation here. Total 8 and 4. Yes, 8 and 4, 12 total. Again here 8 and 4, 12. So y become 12 minus x. That's the first value is coming that. After the students we will going ahead to 14. I think here are mistakes. Here 42 is total additions in the x plus y. 42 and 15. Students, this is the 14. 7, 8 is the 56 and by mistakes. Yes, now 14 is correct. So now I going to variance. Students, my variance is 16 given. So I just put down here 16. That is 16. And calculate by the values by this 16. This is 16 and n becomes 7. And those products I just take in the way of sigma xi square. Yes. So here are after y 14 minus x, students, we will cover. So 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12, 7 8 is 56. Here I think some mistakes I given that, students. Just calculate the one more times your x bar values. So students, after going ahead, here are the 16. Just you put in x bar value. X bar value is 8. So sigma xi square by 7. Mean is your 8 and here 16. Just you get simplifications. So sigma xi square by 7. 16. 8 square 64 and which should be simple 64 and 16 80. So sigma xi square 7 8 is 56 560. Now that meaning observations sum of squares x square plus y square plus 2 square 4 square 10 square 12 square 14 square 560 and total making square and subtraction you will cover 200. Total final solutions and y becomes, students, here 14 minus x and you will declare to final solutions. So x square 14 square 196 minus 28x plus x square 100. So 2x square 28x plus 96. So it is here 2 divided each terms. So x square 14x and here 14 96 so 48. Now 48 splitting, but I want to 14 8 6 48. So one data is x minus 8, other x minus 6. So my answer is 8, otherwise 6. In the case both value you again put down here. So y become your 14 minus x, 14 minus 8 will be 6. Same here 14 minus x, 14 minus 6 will do 8. It means our remaining 2 observations are 8 and 6. Either, students, 6 and 8. Now question 3rd is also very biggest numericals and IMP for our exam related in the heading of 3rd one. In out of the 6 observations, the given that, yes, heading is that the mean and standard deviations. Question number 3 is IMP. Mean and standard deviations of these 6 observations are given that 8 and 4. If each observation multiply by 3, then find out new mean and new our variance, new SD. So very easy. Here I observation taking x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6 and start first mean. Mean formula known, sigma xi by n, it is 8 and n becomes student 6. 8 6 are 48. Now each observation multiply by 3. So if each observation multiply by 3, so students, my new observation in the way of that 3x1 comma 3x2 comma 3x6, it means your new summation already that 3x1 3x2 3x6, 3 common, x1 x2 x6, and that should be students sigma xi, and sigma xi is 48. Therefore students, my new mean y bar is ready, sigma xi by n, 3 into 48, but n becomes 6, 6 8 means 24. Your half answer is done. This answer students also you cross verifications. Your 8 mean given and 3 you multiply by 3, so 8 3s are directly 24. Now I am going to SD, standard deviations. Same pattern, and similarly I explained that in the same way. Now standard deviations are given that for sigma xi square by n x bar the whole square in the under root is equal to 4, and simple apply the rule for your x bar values. So both side taking square, sigma xi square by n become 8, x bar is n become not 8, n is a 6. Students, my mistakes, x bar is 8 and here 4 square because the root taking both sides square. So sigma xi square by 6, and here 8 square 64, 4 square 16 become 8 t. So sigma xi square 6 into 80 480. That's your summations. Now new observations. You know that 3x1 3x2 3x6. So what is the sigma yi square? Observation square. Observation square. Apply this square common 9. Other are x1 square, x2 square and x6 square, which is simple. We will write down sigma xi square, and students, sigma xi square I know that, which is 480. That's the sigma yi square. Now I will start my value for the new SD. Yes, now it is a given. Yes, now here new SD, it means you will take new mean sigma yi square by n, and here new mean. So my answer is exactly sigma yi square is that 9 into 480, but n becomes 6. New mean also known 24 square, and that will be, students, you simple getting your answers in the way of 6 into 8 720 minus 576, which is finally 144 and 12. You will also cross verify your old SD4, multiply by 3. So 4 3s are 12. That's the direct answer in the way of shortcut. But in exam, write down properly method. Now continue. Question number 4. which is again same rule but IMP sum. Yes, observations given 1 to n and mean given. Observation x1, x2 to xn, and that students mean given x bar, and also given the variance, it is sigma square. If new observation given and prove that, yes, now to prove mean and variance of new observations ax1, ax2, axn is ax bar and sigma square respectively. That the target. It means question third and fourth indirectly students, it is the same solutions, but here number of observations total given we have to n observations given. So I start my first mean x bar sigma xi by n, mean same sigma xi into n, that's your sigma xi. Now new observations. For the new observation ax1 comma ax2 comma axn, what is the sigma yi? Summation of all ax1 ax2 common taking x1 x2, it should be sigma xi. And students, I know that sigma xi value n into x bar. It means new mean also ready. New mean y bar sigma xi upon n. So it is a into n into x bar upon n cancel. I get the answer ax bar. And here your new mean easily students done. Now I start to old variance and new variance. So continue, given variance, it is same as students sigma x square, and the new variance wise I will start now process. So this formula students, you know that sigma xi square by n, and here mean square, and the value is simple sigma square plus x bar square into n, that should be sigma xi square. I just take it left to right, multiply by n. Now new observation. Students, these are the new observations ax1 comma ax2 comma axn. So sigma yi square, all observations sum of square a xn square, and put the common taking a square common, x1 square plus x2 square plus xn square, and it is exactly sigma xi square, and that is you know. Yes, so a square into sigma square plus x bar square into n. Now I will start my finally lastly new variance. Therefore new variance, use the new mean here, and old variance then use the old mean. Here I old mean apply, but now I will apply to new mean sigma yi square by n, here y bar square. Sigma yi square by n is that a square sigma square plus x bar square into n upon n minus, and y bar is that this one a into x bar the whole square. So does this n and this n cancel? Only for that remaining data a square sigma square plus a square. I think my mistakes there, here a sigma square only write down, here only for x bar square. Yes, this is our mistake. Sigma x bar square. Here write down x bar square, and here write down x bar square, not the whole square. Now a square x bar square, a square x bar square cancel. So my answer is a variance. So root not write down. By mistake I written, students. If you SD, then root write down. Here without root you will show the answer a square sigma square. And if you SD asking, then root. Yes, students. Here our happily this question also done. Now fifth is a very most IMP numerical. Many time asking in exam. Question number 5. Yes, question is there. There are two questions. Question 5, very most IMP numerical. And 20 observations, mean given 10, and SD for the standard deviations is 2 respectively. By the checking that, it is found that one observation 8 is incorrect. Yes, one observation 8 is incorrect. So my first question and second question. First question is, if wrong item is omitted. This is only first one, till up to calculate new mean and new variance. And second, if it is replaced by 12 and find out new mean and new variance. So students, very easy, but it is a 4 marks, and that also 4 marks questions, either 5 marks. First I start to mean sigma xi by n, and n become 20. So sigma xi you get 200. Read here, wrong item 8 observation is deleted. So if observation 8 is deleted, observation 8 is deleted, that easily either omitted. So students, sigma yi, it should be sigma xi minus 8, 200 minus 8, 192. And also n you delete that 20 minus 1, which have to 19. Because you have to know one observation is deleted from the 20. So new mean sigma yi by n, which is 192 by 19, which is 10.1. Yes, approximately and exactly you will define that it is the 10.1. You correct it. Now I will start my new process for the SD. So old SD, I mean given SD. Given SD you know, under root sigma xi square by n, and here x bar square. Old SD is a 2, sigma xi square same, n become 20. Old m in also known that students 10. Whenever you given SD use, then given mean apply, and new SD for new mean apply. Both sides square taking 4, sigma xi square by 20, and 10 square is 100. It will take 4 into 100, sigma xi square by 20. So sigma xi square, students, 400 into 20. Yes, not 400, it is 100 plus 4. By mistake, students, 4 plus 100, it is 104 into 20. So 2080. 2, 4 2 is 8, 0 and 2 1s are 2. 2080. Now in this pattern, we want to wrong item is deleted. So if observation 8 is omitted, so new sigma yi square, which have to sigma xi square minus 8 square, 2080 minus 64, yes, 2016, 8 square, and n become also, students, which have to n known 20 minus 1 90. So your new SD, standard deviations, under root y square, and here mean square, and putting down the value, students, only that 2016, here n minus 1 means 20, 19 dead, and new means, students, 10.1 whole square, and it is your exactly answer. If you using the calculator, students, they get 1.997. That's our half sum easily done. Now I start the second one. So in the second one, students, this process is same. Here start your second questions. This process is same. Write down 8 is omitted and replace by 12. So here 8 omitted but replaced by 12. Here replaced by 12. So it is a 4, 204. That's going to sigma yi, 204. And now my new mean is a 204. N become 20 is also 20. So 102 by 10, which is 10.2. 102, 2 divided. Start as the same. This process same. This process same. Up to that same. And remaining observation 8 omitted and replace by 12. So students, here just we write down that, not right now. Only you show that here replace by 12 square 144. Here 144 added. Yes. So my answer is 2016 144. 6 and 10 1 carry 4 5 6 2160. And finally attach to here your answers. It will be get 2160 by n become 20, and new mean is also 10.2 whole square, and using calci, students, you will write down the final answer. It is 1.98. I already calculated using calci, that's why I write down. Now question number 6. These are IMP questions in the second way. Anyone asking in exam, you will calculate separately one by one. Now we going ahead. Question number 6. Mean and standard deviations of the three subjects given wise, we defined it which have the more variations and less variations. So in the question number 6, here given student subject, second mathematics, second physics and chemistry, and the parts wise given to all our values. First of all, mean, second standard deviation, so all data, first of all I declare that 42 12, 32 15 and 40.9 by 20. So I defined first CV means coefficient of variations. Students, here CV I will define that as D upon mean into 100%. So here SD 12, 42 into 100%, 15 by 32 into 100%, and here 20 by 40.9 into 100%. And this value, students, I direct write down according to using calculators: 28.57, 46.87 and last 48.89. all I very easily, and you have to calculate aloud. Now check, it is a least variations, it is a more variations. So in mathematics, yes, in mathematics have less variation in comparison of physics and chemistry, and last in chemistry have more variation in comparison of maths and physics. Now students, I will going ahead, last question for this exercise. Question number 7. In the observations are total in the group data 100 observations. This is also IMP, students. n become 100 observation, and the given that 20 and 3 are the respectively mean and standard deviation. Mean and standard deviations are 20 and 3. If 3 observations are recorded and omitted, if 3 observations are 21 and 18 are removed, then find standard deviation for the observation after removed parts. So I will start first mean x bar sigma xi by n. So x bar is 20, n become 100. So sigma xi, students, you have to 2000. Now I will go to respectively these observations are omitted. Remove, yes, if 21 and 18 are removed, then new sigma yi becomes sigma xi minus 21 and 18. Very easy. Sigma xi you have to know 2000, and here 20, 40, 50 and 60. Yes, 1940. 2000 minus 60, 1940. So new mean sigma yi by n minus 3, because the 3 observations are removed from that n 100. So 1940 divided by 100 minus 3. So 1940 divided by 97, which is 2 za. It means 20 za. Yes, your value is a 20. The mean is a correct. Now I will go to continue for SD, level to parts of SD parts. Very easy. First of all, given SD I define, then after students new SD define. This is a calculator using calci. So given SD is under root sigma xi square by n minus x bar square, which should be sigma xi square. You know that? No, it is unknown. N known 100, old mean also given 20, and here students SD known the 3. Take both sides square, which have to 9 by 100, and here 400. Just you flip that. 9 plus 400 is 409 into 100 sigma xi square. So sigma xi square, students, 40900. Now these are observations removed from that. So 21 and 18 are omitted. That's why sigma yi square, students, sigma xi square minus 21 square, 18 square, it will get 40900, 441 and 324, and you just using the calci, students. I write down here direct value. It is 39694, and go to finally new SD standard deviations under root sigma yi square by n minus y bar square. Students, here n become n minus 3 because you remove the 3 observations. Sigma yi square 39694 by 97, and new mean is that 20 square. So your data is finally 39694 by 97 minus 400, and that you take using calci. Answer is a 3.036. So it is 3.036, and here your SD is finally done here. So students, after ending this IMP question 7, here our exercise and this chapter is students over. So continue I going ahead in the next part. Okay students, and here our chapter is over. In the next video I will explain to new parts. Okay, bye bye.